Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's Adam Berry, also known as the Gym Starter, and I help people learn how to fit fitness into their lives. But today I'm going to take you through how to do a wall sit exercise. Right, the wall sit exercise. It's a fantastic exercise. It's known as an isometric exercise, which means that we're sustaining one position that doesn't move for a period of time. So think very much like the plank exercise, or think very much like, I can't think of another one now, any kind of exercise you hold for a certain period of time without actually moving your joints. So it has no locomotion, to quote, is it Madonna or Kylie? Anyway, the wall sit. So it's a very simple exercise. All you need to do is find a wall. I'm going to use this one because it's flat, which is really useful, and it has no bulges or lumps or bumps on it. I've also, you might notice, not got any socks on, because socks on obviously laminate floor like I am here, I'm going to slip away from the wall. We don't want that. It's going to make it a lot harder. So if you're at home, do it barefoot. If you're in a gym, maybe keep your trainers on with which to do this exercise. So we just get up against the wall like so. And the standard wall set I'd like you to work towards is holding it like so. So we make sure that we push ourselves into the wall, we get our pelvis right up against the wall, and we try and make as much of our back touch the wall as possible. Now, really what I'm looking for is a 90-degree angle in the knee, a 90-degree angle in the ankle, and a 90-degree angle in the hips. And that is the optimal wall sit position. And then I'd also suggest that you hold this for about 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds, or whatever your trainer or your workout denotes that you do. That's absolutely fine. Now, there are other ways that you can progress and regress the exercise, and that basically means you can either make it harder or make it easier. So to make it easier, we go back to the wall, everything stays the same. You get your feet underneath your ankles, but all you do is you just don't go down to parallel to the floor like so. So we're not necessarily looking for a 90-degree angle there. We're now looking for a slightly more open angle in the knees, but still embracing your core, keeping your head and your back against the wall, and we will sit for that position. If you want to make it harder, we get an acute angle in the knees. So we come down to here, and you come against the wall like so, and you'll really feel that a lot more right in your quadriceps. It's great for strengthening the knees, and also engages the glutes just a little bit more. And you'll hold that for as long as you possibly can. Another great way to progress and regress is obviously hold it for more or less time. And that's about it. I hope you found this instructional video useful. If you have any questions, all you have to do is ask in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. My name's Adam Berry, I run the Fitness Collective, and please, if you have any more questions or you want to start taking your fitness more seriously, come along and have a join, because it'd be great to see you there. Peace, love and protein, high fives and positive vibes. Ciao!